Hi,
Yeah, hi.
shall we start the interview?
Yeah, sure.
So the first question is, in 5 years from today it will be year 2021. Do you think your job is secure?
Uh, yeah, I think so. Yes, it will be secure because uh, what will happen after 5 years? I'll be much qualified of at my position. Like if a student enters in first standard, then he starts learning A B C D E F G, and when he goes to the fifth standard, then he knows what is A for apple, B for ball, everything in every word in English dictionary. If you will ask this question to him, then he'll answer this in proper English communication, and that will be very much effective. So I think yes, it will be secure because I'll be more qualified, more intelligent, and in my field, I'll have that much knowledge which a 5 year old, 5 year experienced guy knows. He should know it.
Okay, great. So with self-driving cars, cab drivers may no longer exist by 2021. Similarly, other core industries like manufacturing and agriculture have automated so much that the need for labor is either minuscule or completely redundant. We even have a computer that can write its own software. Do you really think your job is secure from automation and artificial intelligence?
Yeah, automation and artificial intelligence, it shows growth of our revenue, and it shows growth of a human being. uh, if you have heard about the supercomputer, that who invented that supercomputer, who manufactured it, that person was also a human being. And if a human being can manufacture a supercomputer, then he knows that how to operate it. He only knows that how to operate it, and if there will be how to maintain it. If there will be any problem in the future, then how will he do it, how will he solve it? So these things are very necessary. And in my point of view, yes, I would know. I know that my job is very much secure because after 5 years, when so many things will be automated, so many artificial intelligence will be there, but everything will be controlled by human. So your skill set should be increased like this, like that. So if your skill set is increasing, then your job is very well secure, and so is mine.
Okay. With population increasing, it is estimated that 1 million people will be coming to cities in year 2021 in search of jobs. Do you think there will be sufficient job for our young grads?
Yes, there are so many jobs, like so much construction is going on. If you will see, there are so many buildings, big buildings. There are so many highways. In this is just a field, just one field, construction field. Apart from that, so many manufacturing companies are there, automobile industry. So many cars are increasing day by day. People who is earning 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, they are also buying cars. So these cars are being manufactured in their factory, and their factories are increasing, number of factories. If you'll see in Gujarat, there are so many automobile industries, and like that in Uttar Pradesh also, industries are coming. They'll set up here and they'll offer jobs. So obviously, after 5 years, there'll be so many industry, and like that, there'll be so many jobs.
Okay. So what do you think is the best way to make sure that the increasing young population, or we, should do today to ensure that there are 1 million jobs in the future?
See, there are 2 points in this question. First point is regarding knowledge, means study. Every person in the upcoming future, he should have studied in his past. If you will have knowledge, if you will study, then you will know how to communicate with the person. Like today in today times, uh, everything is based on English. So if you won't study much, then you won't be able to speak English. Then how can you communicate with the computer? How can you communicate with the automated generators, machines? So those things are very necessary. First thing, this is first thing that you should study. And second thing, you will have to work hard. So should you should be capable to work hard. If you won't work hard, then there will be someone else who will acquire your job. So first thing is study, second thing is hard working. If you will hard work, if you will study both things, then yes, you are very much capable for that job. After 5 years,
Okay, fine. The next question is, automation is inevitable and will take jobs away from the blue collared workers. In fact, it has already begun. Not everyone can be educated or skilled enough in future. What do you think the government should do for these people in India?
see, with this point, I won't be satisfied with you because I can see in my town where I live, in that town, every year we are increasing the number of schools, we are increasing the number of colleges. In India, also, you will see that number of schools and number of colleges are increasing. Why? Because population is increasing. So those boys, those girls, they'll go to schools, colleges, and get knowledge. They'll study there. And with this thing, I don't think illiteracy will be there. I think in upcoming future, literacy rate will be very much high, and you will see that the child of a labor and child of a manager both will study in the same school, both will get the same knowledge, and both will work. Now, whoever will have better capability, he will get that job, he'll work and he'll earn. So I don't think increasing population means that everyone can't study and can't be taught. No, they can be, because number of schools are also increasing, number of ways are increasing to get you knowledge. So I think everything is means increasing simultaneously. They both have the same ratio. So in this way, yes, they will study, they will reach at their destinations very easily.
Okay, great. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.